Original.
Just say no, 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 no.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Francine or Franny, and you already know I'm back at it with another video. As you can tell by the title, I am just going to be reviewing Luvme Hair. Shout out to Luvme Hair for sending over this beautiful unit. This is my first time ever trying a headband wig, so I was super duper excited, y'all. So this is their human hair mixed color highlighted deep wave headband wig. Dang, that was a long one. But you guys, this unit is in 20 inches. And with the purchase of this hair, you also get like 5 different type of headbands, which I thought was really cool. And don't stop at that. And it also comes with this cute little pouch that says Love Me. And it comes with a Love Me silk scarf that you can tie your edges down with, an adjustable strap, a baby edge, you know, a little brush thing for your edges. Also come with a tweezer. You know, you can tweeze your baby hairs, and this cute little clip that says Love Me. That is so cute, y'all. All right, and it also comes with this wig cap, and it's just come with this Luvme Hair manual. Basically just tell you how to, like, you know, take care of your hair, wash it, and all of that. This is cute packaging that is came in as well. I love the purple and gold. It's so pretty, so luxurious looking, child. All right, guys, so this is how the hair is looking. This is how the curls are looking, you guys, with the deep waves, whatever you want to call it. But of course, I wanted the hair bigger, so I am going to be fluffing the curls out a little bit. And this is what the headband is looking like. And this is what the inside is looking like. It does come with 2 combs, like one on the side and one at the nape. And this is like the strap of the headband. Right here, I'm just showing you guys that the headband is like Velcro. So you can tighten it, loosen it, whatever you want, you know, adjust it to your liking. I had a little bit trouble putting on the headband. I really should have tried it another way. I don't know what was I doing, girl. Why did I put on this headband like this? I don't know, child. I always make things harder than what they actually are. Alright, guys, so I ended up just folding the headband like in half, just so my baby hairs and stuff can show, because I do have a really small head, y'all. So I really wanted my baby hairs to show, so I did fold the headband in half. And I use the combs as well, y'all, just so you know, to secure the wig. I highly suggest using the combs to secure the wig. If not, it's probably going to like slide back a little bit, because that's how it was doing me. And I had to keep going back and adjusting the tightness that I wanted at.
See, I got them here, them are moving right. See the girls, them I got me hypnotized. Them I make a bad man feel alright.
Alright, guys, so right here I went ahead and put on this cheetah print headband. This was like my favorite headband out of all of them, even though all of them were super duper cute, and you get them for free as well. Like this is like a package deal. Like, what are Alright, right here, you guys, I am starting to separate the curls. Like I said, I wanted this unit to be big and, you know, just like big and bold. So I was going for that really big hair look. Like I said, you don't have to do it like this. You can just leave the curls however you want to leave the curls. And right here, I was just showing you guys that it did. The hair was shedding a little bit. But I do expect that with like any type of highlighted or color unit, I do expect a little bit of shedding.
Calm down, take it slow. See the key, let my come in my yard, them I give me low. If you're tripping, let me know what you really want. Is it riding with me or you really dirt? Them my girls, them I tell me that you really not. Make up your mind, let me know.
See how pretty this is? This hair is so damn pretty, y'all. So freaking gorgeous. I really wish I would have wet it, like, to define the curls a little bit, but I will. Alright, you guys, so I just wanted to try, you know, a couple of different types of hair. Well, not hairstyles. I just wanted to see if I can wear the hair in, you know, different ways. And I thought the ponytail was really cute, and I also put it in a bun as well. I thought it was really
Original.
Original bad man.
She said no, 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 no. She said yeah, yeah.
Original bad man. Body nice.
Alright guys, so my final thoughts on the hair. I really do like the hair. The hair is really soft. But I did notice a tad bit of shedding. I don't know if I mentioned that in the voiceover. I did get a tad bit of shedding, and I'm pretty sure that is like kind of normal to get a little bit of shedding, especially when the hair is processed, highlighted, bleached, and all of that. But all in all, I really do love the hair. Another thing that I noticed, y'all, as I was like putting my hair in a ponytail and a bun and stuff, playing around with the hair got a little bit tangly. So do watch out for that if you're planning on doing like different styles and stuff with it. So I did not wet the hair or anything, y'all. Just kind of just ran my fingers through it because I wanted I wanted this hair really big. I thought it was really pretty like that. So yeah, I really don't have too much, but as I'm running my hands through it now, I'm not really getting any tangles or anything. I'm pretty sure this wig will be like really pretty if I like sprayed it down. But like I said, I want it to be dry and I want it to be big. This is a great on-the-go wig, y'all. If y'all in a hurry, girl, grab this wig, put it on. You don't even have to put the extra headband on. I just wanted the extra headband because I thought it was really cute. You can just go with the simple black headband that it actually comes with. I appreciate Luvme Hair for sending over this wig. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any type of questions, comments, or concern, just shoot me a comment. I always reply back. So yeah, thank y'all so much for watching, and I will catch you guys in my next video. Sending everybody love and light. Peace.
Turn up the vibe, bad man, turn up the vibe.